Hey guys, Road Safety here. Decided to stay home today to take time and catch the statewide tornado drill.
The red current risk will be moderate.
Florida tornado drill is going to be conducted at 10 a.m.
Hazardous boating conditions for the...
We got everyone ready.
Water activation will not be needed today and tonight. Serving Orlando and...
I think they might do the PNS soon, but got everyone set to KIH63 from Orlando, Florida.
Broadcast comes to you. Weather Service Office.
The reception's finally good.
Frequency of 162. A required weekly test of the...
And yeah, we got about an hour left. I got 56 minutes exactly, so yeah, that's pretty much about it. We're good, and I will see y'all once the drill starts. Here we go! Tornado drill! Yes, sir!
This is the practice tornado warning for the statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service has issued a practice tornado warning effective until 10:30 a.m. this morning for all counties in east central Florida.
Right on the dot.
This includes Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Orange, Polk, Brevard, Osceola, Indian River, Martin, St. Lucie, and Okeechobee counties. Remember, a tornado warning means a tornado has been sighted or has been indicated on National Weather Service radar. If this were an actual warning, information would be included on the location of the tornado and the communities in its path. The message would also include safety actions that you would take to protect your life in a tornado threat. Once you have reached your shelter area, you may consider the drill over and resume normal activities. A statement terminating the drill will be issued around 10:30 a.m., but it will not be alarmed. Repeating, this is the warning portion of the statewide tornado drill. This is a drill. For more information, contact the National Weather Service Melbourne at 3212-550-212. To learn more about how to receive emergency alerts in your community, visit alertflorida.com. Your weather.
Alright, that was the tornado drill.
Orlando.
Zone guard up activated! Hey, Mong! There you go.
The signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather
Who's
is
getting
expected on
horrible
Wednesday,
reception?
the test will be postponed until
I
the
can't
next
tell
day,
who it
weather
is, because
permitting.
it's like...
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This
It's
variability,
you.
normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result
Whoa,
in
this
before using
antenna's
a good quality
very
receiver in
flimsy.
perfect working order.
That's not
Warning
good.
alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal
That is
is
not
reliably
good.
received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH63 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts
You know,
will be
it's whatever.
activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties.
Over there.
For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties.
Now, what I want
This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. may now return to the regular broadcast program.
Make sure it's not 100.
Your